Welcome back to my channel SN Videos. Are you thinking why I'm looking dull and dirty? Because today is Daughter's Day and my father and I went outside because he wanted to give me some gifts and I came. And I am feeling so tired and I feel that my face is like so dull and dirty, and I wanted to show you how I clean my face, or you can say how I do facial. And I wanted to show you how I do facial without using any artificial products and only using natural products. So let's start. The first step is cleansing. For cleansing, we are using aloe vera gel. We are using the aloe vera gel that I took from this aloe vera leaves. Lemon. Now we have to mix it together. Cleanser is ready. Now I have to apply it on my face. Now rub it properly and wash it with cold water. Just now I washed my face and I am feeling so fresh. Second step is scrubbing. For scrubbing, we are using honey, curd and rice powder. Now we have to mix it all together. Our scrubber is ready. Now we have to apply it. Now scrub it properly and gently for 3 to 4 minutes. Now I am going to wash it with cold water. Third step is moisturizing. For moisturizing, we are using banana and honey. Now we have to mix it together. Our moisturizer is ready. Now we have to apply it. Now massage it for 7 to 8 minutes. To wash it. The fourth step is steaming. I am boiling the water for steaming. Do not try this alone. Take the help of your elders or mother, father. My mother is helping me to do this. The water is boiling. I have to put the towel over here. The water is boiling. I have to put the towel over here. Now I am going to use the hot towel. Guys, do not try to take the vapor directly because it is very harmful for children. Don't think that it is harmful for skin. It is harmful because dangerous things can happen and any accidents can happen. Now I am taking out the towel. My mummy will squeeze this because I don't want to do this. Guys, do not use very hot towel. Last and the final step means the fifth step. We have to prepare the face pack now. For the face pack we need gram flour, curd, turmeric, rose water, and you can also use some water. Now we have to mix this all together. My face pack is ready to apply. Now we have to apply it nicely and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes. This pack is really awesome. So I thought, why can't we use it on our hands and legs? So you can also use this pack for hands and legs when you take the bath. See? It is dry now. You have to wash it. I am feeling so better. My skin is so soft now. If you love this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel.